Ay, mga loves. At Sarah. Siyempre, kasi meron akong ulam na hotdog, yung sinigang kagabi. At saka yung yung hindi namin nakain kahapon sa Mang Inasal na chicken, ang dami niya pang laman. Ininit ko siya ngayong araw na to. So, kain.
I give you option D.
Order kayo na at Sarah.
You don't understand.
May parehin ako dyan sa TikTok na
Tim and I were in
si Irene.
Oh. Right, so Tim was
Masarap at Sarah niya, masarap siya sa mga dry, dry food. Tulad ng tuyo, daing, prito, mga ganyan. Sa hotdog, mga chicken, basta yung mga dry toast at Sarah.
Did you two ever meet at a hotel?
No.
Masarap.
No,
Masarap
that would
siya.
have been too public. We only ever met at my apartment.
What about Vanessa? Did she know?
They had an arrangement.
Binigyan ko ng mga
Kept secret,
tita ko.
and Vanessa agreed.
Tuwan-tuwa sila kasi masarap nga daw yung sa mga pritong isda.
Monogamy fails again.
So if Tim didn't want out of the closet, were you aware of anyone that would want to blackmail him or threaten to go to the press?
No. But Tim texted me this photo for safekeeping.
Maubos itong isang ganito.
I have no idea what it means. It's actually the last I ever heard from him before.
Sabi ng anak ko,
Another song.
kung ibibenta ko daw ba, kaya nga ako umorder. Para sa sarili ko. Saka para sa mga tita ko diba? Para matikman nila.
You almost died. You came back and this is what you do with your second chance. You know what happens when you die? I can't say I do. Well, if you've lived a life like I did, you go to hell. Oh yeah.
That's it.
In my case, it
Sarap.
was for a couple of seconds. Down there, though, it was years. And years. There's a door just for you. And inside, hell
Bye-bye.
uses what you love.
Nahirinan ako.
For me, I love
Bye.